What's the sound of the bird now? Why are we turning the light? Because
Dark.
it's dark. Okay. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Wednesday and it's currently 5:30 ng hapon, guys. First day ko pala nabalik sa trabaho today. Diba? I've been on annual leave since Thursday last week and then yes, balik tayo ng trabaho, guys. Anyways, I'm not complaining. I'm very lucky na meron pa rin akong work. So kakatapos ko lang mag-work, guys. And we are now getting ready. Pipick upin natin ang ating baby girl. Nakadress sa atin you guys kahit sa labas ay ano. It has been raining. Pero nag-dry na siya dyan konti, oh. Walang araw today, guys. It's very, very makulimlim. So, I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit for today. Ayan. So, ito yung suot ko, guys. Because, kanina pala sa lunch break ko, Daddy Mike and I did a, my husband rates my outfit video. And ito yung last na sinuot ko, guys. Kaya hindi na ako naghubad. Ayan. I really like it. This is from Shein, guys. Actually, I hope na ma-enjoy niyo yung video na yun, guys. Kasi, na-enjoy talaga kaming i-film yun. But this is the last one, guys. From Shein. Sobrang cute talaga. Feel ko lang na summer na kahit umuulan pa rin siya sa labas. Whatever. And I paired it with these white sneakers. Ayan. It looks so cute. I really love this one. Anyways, kahit yan ang ating dress, guys, magja-jacket pa rin tayo ng makapal.
Well, could have went straight in there.
Where's the
Oh, really?
What are you eating? Where's your friend?
Okay. Very messy. Have a good night, guys.
Want Daddy to carry Parcel Parcel?
Whose mommy is that? Your mommy's friend. Let's say hi. So here, be first. Hi. Have a look at you. Oh, you're very messy. Very messy. What did you do? Did you do painting today? Stop. Paris, stop.
Push. Push. Yeah, you do it. Push.
Can you dance for mommy? Ding, 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 ding. Ang buhok, oh, tingnan niyo ang kanyang buhok, guys.
Open.
Mura nagsisisa.
Ako man. Slowly.
Open. Good job. Oh, where's the car? B? Point B? Muddy puddles. Jumping up and down the muddy puddles. Look where you going, anak. Ay. Hala, tingnan niyo siya, guys. Oh.
Daddy, son?
Oh my God! Bata pa ka na? Ha? Marang trapoy mo si Rina.
Daddy, son?
Na!
Are you independent?
Miss Independent. There you go. Where's our car? Careful, anak. Where's our car? Point our car, B? Baba, where's our car? Careful, Paris. Careful, Paris. Hala, quick na, kaya it's raining na. Quick, it's raining. Yay! Go quick. Sit down na kasi it's raining na, nak. We have to go.
It's raining, Daddy.
It is. Come on, because Daddy's getting wet. Come on. Let Daddy careful. Excuse me, Daddy. Ah, that's okay. He's parking. Yeah, sit down na yun properly.
I want to go down.
Hi, you have to sit down and Daddy's got something for you. Come.
Sit down. Daddy's got a present.
Yes.
Daddy.
Lay down. Sit down.
Daddy.
Go like this. Not yet, honey. Next time.
Daddy.
Like that. Yeah. No, we're
Are you stuck?
Ala, naku. Uy, ala, very messy. Baka
I
naman.
see you.
I can see you.
Sit down.
Sige na,
Sit down,
anak.
Baba.
It's apple pie trees.
What's the sound of the bird now? Where? Ah, andun guys, oh, ang bird guys, oh. Ginagaya niya yung boses ng bird. What's the sound of the bird again?
Careful.
Guys,
Come on.
yeah,
Be
make
careful.
sure the eagle doesn't take your lollipop.
Quick!
Parrots.
Say, don't take my lollipop, eagle.
No, take my apple.
Naki mong buhok bitaw na
That's
kay.
mine.
Naunsa na na.
That's parrots.
It's Paris's. Come on, run, because it's raining.
Not yours.
It's not yours.
This parrots. Get share.
Share, we can share. What's not yours?
This parrots.
Yeah, laway-laway mo ka
And
na.
there's that one, the eagle.
The eagle. The
And
eagle.
there's that one.
Yeah, the eagle wants your lollipop.
It's mine.
Get your own one, eagle.
That's it.
So get your daddy to buy you a lollipop, eagle.
The,
Call daddy na.
the eagle.
Na, call daddy na.
The eagle can share. It can share.
Share.
Daddy eagle can share.
We're home.
Lights, mine. Turn the light.
Turn the light. Why?
Bedtime.
Why?
Bedtime.
Why are we turning the light?
Midtime. My time.
Because it is
Dark. Mine's right night.
Oh, my love. You're so smart, honey. Come on, let's go turn the light.
Doing mine.
Why are we turning the light? Because
Dark.
it's dark. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go.
Pen.
Paris, turn it on.
It's light. It's light.
Yeah, let there be light. Let's go. Go down. There you go. Nakauwi na kami, guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa kusina kasi si Daddy Mike kasi guys, pumunta siya kanina sa Coast nung pauwi na kami. Bumili siya ng something for dinner. And then,
I'll make it.
There's no chocolate bar.
did Daddy give you chocolate na?
That's the money.
Where is the one? Why?
Lucky.
It's yucky.
Look.
Kiss.
Really?
Like that.
Really?
Lucky.
Oh, no. Kasi guys, si Paris kasi sabi ng teacher niya na nagpo-push daw siya kanina tapos hindi siya nakaudo. So, I think like she's starting to have that constipation again. Oh, mama. Daddy tried to give her, what was that, Bob? Dates? Dates. Ayan, sabi ni Daddy Mike, chocolate. Hindi siya nauto, guys. Sabi niya yan. So, yung gagawin namin ngayon, di ba, ito, pinabili ko si Daddy Mike nito. Itong, ano tawag ito? Ice chocolate. Ayan. Ilalagay natin dito yung powder na binigay sa atin ng doktor. Remember last time pumunta kami ng doktor kasi nag-constipate nga si Paris. So, meron pa kaming maraming natira noon. So, ilalagay natin dito and then see if iinom siya. Nilagay ko siya dito. Ayan. Kita ba? And then, hala. Nayab po. And then, lagyan natin ito. Movie call. Kasi chocolate flavor siya, guys. Kaya lang si Paris, napapansin niya talaga na something is going on. Kaya hindi niya iniinom. Binigay na namin kay Paris, guys. And you know yung sinabi niya. Sabi niya, ayaw daw niya. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, why not? It's chocolate. Sabi niya, no, it's not. Juice daw, guys. Hindi daw chocolate. This is what we're having for dinner, guys. It's slow-cooked beef ragu. Ragu. Ayan. Ilagay lang sa oven and what? 7 minutes only? That's quick. Oh, by the way, guys, may ipapakita ko sa inyo. Shit, this one, Daddy. Daddy's watch. Kita ba, guys? Ayan, Daddy, oh. Ay, hindi siya ayan. Focus. Oh, super nice. Do you like it, Daddy?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. I got that one for Daddy Mike, guys. So, a couple of days ago, guys, tinanong ako ni Daddy Mike kung Father's Day ba daw this month or next month. Sabi ko, nabuang na ka. Yung Father's Day ay last month, September. Kaya nga, di ba, binilhan ko siya ng jacket from Nike, yung binili ko for Father's Day. And then, kaya pala siya nagtanong, guys, kasi nagtingin-tingin siya sa online. Gusto niyang bumili ng bagong watch, guys. And ito yung pinakita niya sa akin. And at first, sabi ko, ayoko niyan kasi ang pangit. Kasi hindi ko nagustuhan, guys, nung first na pinakita niya sa akin. Anyways, Natawa ako guys, kasi para-paraan pala yun ni Daddy Mike. Para gusto niya, anong tawag dito guys? Yung magmanya ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag niyan sa Tagalog. Let me know sa comment section below guys kung anong Tagalog ng manya. Anyways, yun na nga guys, natawa ako kay Daddy Mike kasi para-paraan lang niya yun para yun nga, makamanya nga sa akin. Na-end na yung conversation namin doon guys kasi hindi na namin pinagpatuloy yung conversation doon. But I know in my heart, inside my head, na gustong-gusto talaga ni Mike yung watch na yun. So yung ginawa ko guys, binili ko siya online pero hindi niya alam. And then, kanina, dumating, sobrang nasurpresa siya guys. Kasi, hindi niya alam na bibilhin ko para sa kanya. Kasi, nagpaano lang ako nun guys, pa-disguise lang ako noon na, no, I don't like that, ganun. Pero, alam ko na gustong-gusto niya yung watch na yun guys. Kaya yan, binili ko para sa kanya. Are you happy with this one, Daddy?
Very, very happy.
Yeah. What do you think of this, guys? I think it suits Daddy Mike. Ano pala to siya? Wood. Made of wood. Pero yung mga hardwares niya ay yellow gold. Super nice. I think it... Hindi siya mag-focus. I think it suits Daddy Mike. Yeah. And sabi niya kasi, very casual daw. Like, he can pair it with everything. Daddy, yeah?
That's right. T-shirts, singlets,
Yeah.
surfing wear when I went to the Gold Coast.
Stop with the Gold Coast. So yun guys, naisip ko lang na hindi naman talaga kailangan may okasyon para i-surprise niyo yung isa't isa, yung maging sweet kayo para sa isa't isa, ganun. Kaya yun yung ginawa ko kay Daddy Mike guys. Yes, Daddy! Kasi Daddy Mike is like that to me too, guys. Minsan binibilhan niya ako ng mga bagay na hindi ko alam, tapos nasusurprise na lang ako. Yeah, we both love surprises. And I think, you know, everyone loves surprises. And you know what's very special about it, guys? Kasi, as mentioned, this is made of wood. So, nag-email sila sa akin na because I purchased one watch from them, they are planting one tree under my name. It's nearly 9 o'clock na ng gabi, guys. And, nandito na kami sa bed. Ang ating baby girl, ayan, oh. Pinlay namin yung iPad niya, pero may timer yan ng, 20 minutes. So, in 20 minutes, she is going to sleep. And, now, I'm just going to share with you guys our positive quote of the day, which is this one. And it says, I speak with confidence and calm assurance. There you go. We will brush your teeth na ka.
I eat candy.
Huh?
I eat candy.
Eat candy. Do you wanna eat candy? You had candy before, that's why we're brushing your teeth, okay?
Candy.
Have a look at your teeth here, oh. Have a look. See, it needs cleaning. See, Tita and Tito said, like, Paris, you have to clean your teeth because there will be worm inside your mouth if you don't brush your teeth.
No, Mom, what?
Paris, Daddy said there'll be a big worm,
Yeah.
and then the monster will come and take your teeth. If you
No,
don't
Mama.
Yeah, here you go. Here's your toothbrush.
quickly,
No.
quickly do it so that the monster doesn't come.
No, Mama, Mama.
Yeah, that's why. That's why you brush your teeth.
Mama, Mama. Mama,
Good girl, very good girl, Masaka. Don't let.
Check, Mama, check.
Shark! Oh, wow! Baby shark, toot 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 toot.
Monster, Paris is brushing her teeth now. You go away. You go away, monster. Now, Paris is brushing her teeth.
That's right. That's right. Paris a good girl. Anyways guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa aming channel. Thank you at hindi kayo nagsasawa na manood ng aming mga vlogs. And also, hindi kayo nagsasawa na mag-leave ng comment, which makes me very happy. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Janzi Pinay, Australia, Waverly VIC Valcorza, Daya Magallanes, Evert Suta 53, and also to her daughter Maria Micaela Sueta. Shout out to Kane Bernales, 4J Apolinario, Chari Salazar, Jennifer Gires, Lynn Ahmad, Cherry May Ongayo, Hannah Sarumines, Mary Grace Vida, Cora Tagapulot, Cherry Ramos and family. Shout out to Shout out to Daisy May Corrales Lamis. Shout out to Maria Cruz, Feli Ilamparo, Norberta Nono, Gemaline Tato, Joanne Ambe, Jing De Asis. Shout out to Apigo's sister, Angela Pinkerman, Lailani Gilin, Socorro Rosejos, Rosemary Hilab, Aroma T, Maris Vlogs, Joanne Owano, May Gao, and Teresita Abaluyan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Close.